Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how an appraiser would accept an assigned appraiser order. So as you can see, we are currently logged in as a user Thomas who is an appraiser, and we are on the dashboard where we can see the recent appraisal orders. So as you can see, they are on different status such as on hold, paused, in progress. So these are all the assigned appraisers of the user Thomas. So if I want to click and view the details of any of this appraisal order, I will click on this appraisal order. It will navigate me to the detail page of this appraisal order. Moving back onto the main screen dashboard, I will click on this from the side menu bar on the appraisal orders, and it will take me to the appraisal orders in this page where I can click on the assigned appraiser. As you can see that it says in progress and acceptance is needed, which means for this specific appraisal order, I need an acceptance. So I need to accept an appraisal order. I will click on this appraisal order, view the appraisal order information. What are the appraisal order information such as these details, and after having an overview of this, I can move towards the documents and download the documents that have been provided, such as the purchase contract, and also I can download it from over here. So after I feel that everything, the appraisal order and viewing all the details and everything, I feel this fees is enough for it, and I feel I want to accept the assignment. So I'll view the terms and conditions from here, and I'll overview these terms and conditions. After it has been overviewed, I read all of these descriptions. I will accept the assignment, or you can read the even assignment. After when you are going to accept the assignment, you can read the terms and conditions as well over here, and the agreed service fee is defined over here. If you not agree with the fee or the due date that has been defined over here, you can accept with conditions. So we have a separate video for that. Right now we're going to just accept. We have to check this box and then we can accept and continue. Once an assignment has been accepted successfully, you can see that the inspection page is now open and you can perform the activities over here. So we have a separate video for that. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.